This video is sponsored by Gen Reviews. Ships. Now we're going to see about ships. Yeah, ship is a vessel designed to navigate through water, carrying people, goods, or equipment. Types of ships. Ships have many types. In that, merchant ship. It is a ships which have travel for cargo, container, and tankers. Passenger ship, naval ship, fishing ship, specialty ship, and next one is parts of a ship. Hull, it is a main structure of ship. Next one is superstructure, it's deck houses and bridges. Next one is mast, support for sails, antennas. Next one is propulsion, it's a engines and propellers. Next one is anchors, mooring systems. Ship building, first one is design and planning. Material selection, it may steel or aluminum or fiberglass. And next one is construction, welding and assembly. And next one is launching and fitting out. Maritime history, ancient civilizations are Egypt, Greece and Rome. Age of exploration is 15th and 17th century. Industrial revolution is steamships, iron hulls. A modern era, containerization and digitalization. Shipping industry, some shipping industries are global trade and commerce, economic importance, environmental concerns, safety and security regulations. So these are some points about ships. Thank you.